Okay, so I've been on this a ton over the last couple of years on Instagram, but I've left you guys on YouTube basically in the dark, and what a dumb idea on my part. This has been the channel that has kickstarted multiple six-figure businesses for myself. Most of my clients have come from YouTube. Most of my best friends have come from YouTube. I do know how to make friends in person, but you know guys what I'm trying to say. And I figured, why not? Just like, let's get back on here, show you guys what's going on. I have committed to building a local team here in Vancouver for those people that have either just joined or forget what I'm doing or whatever. I'll just give you guys the lowdown. So I'm running multiple businesses, but primarily right now I'm focusing on building my SEO and paid advertising agency. I exclusively work with search traffic and search marketing. I am a firm believer in figuring out who your ideal customer avatar is, figuring out the top problems they have, and then just presenting yourself in the marketplace while they're looking to solve those problems. So again, that's why SEO and Google search and Amazon search are kind of my bread and butter. Transparently, over the last year, we've managed about $250,000 worth of ad spend. And I would say our clients are somewhere around the $4 million, $4.5 million a year worth of revenue. So it's not massive, but I know what the hell I'm doing when it comes to that end of it. A lot of the people that are on this channel are probably from the Kindle publishing area. I can venture out to say that most of the course creators or people in the industry have either been my clients, are my clients, or I've consulted them before. So I'll just leave that there. But yeah, I've been quietly just kind of working in the background with the agency, and you know, with the digital staff that I had, it was awesome. I was able to deliver awesome services, get great results, but I wasn't able to give the impact that I want. And ultimately with contact, I had this idea of the contact effect, which is if I can go and help one entrepreneur who's mission-driven, passion-driven, get their message out into the world, get in front of their ideal client and serve them, it's like this butterfly effect, right? Like I serve one person and you guys go on to serve 1,000. And the agency has been a great way of me doing that. But if I want to serve at scale, I've got to be doing it this way. So here's my promise to you guys. I'm going to give you all the information that I'm executing with the agency. Here's the reality. The reason why people hire agencies is because they're too busy to do the work themselves. If you're at a do-it-yourself level, you're under 10 grand a month and you're bootstrapping, the reality is you can't afford an agency, you can't afford my pricing, and not to be an asshole about it, it's just the reality. Like if you're making under 10 grand a month, you can't afford to pay 3 to 5 grand a month for an agency because you just don't have the cash flow for it. So if I can empower you to figure out exactly who your ideal customer avatar is, figure out the top questions that they're asking, get in front of them and start making sales and grow your company past that 10, 15, 20 grand a month mark, and you eventually become my client, awesome. That is my absolute transparent strategy with this channel. I would say 95% of you will never be my client, you'll never meet me, but guess what? I'm still gonna be able to serve my message and help you guys succeed. That 5% that does come from this channel that ends up working with me, awesome. I'm gonna be very transparent about how I build this because this is the same way you should be building your business. Serve, add massive value on the front end, realize that 90% of the people that are consuming your content will never transact with you. That's perfectly okay. But build your business in a way on the back end that 5% that do purchase with you, know, love, and trust you, are super excited to work with you, are a perfect client for you, and you can get massive results. Because that's the dream for everybody's business, right? Working with dream clients who are paying you well and where you can get massive results and you fully believe in them. The best way, in my opinion, is giving away as much value for free, and that's ultimately what I'm doing here. So that's what's going on right now. In terms of a technical and tactical, what's going on with me, just hired an operations person / integrator. I'll have another video talking about some books that I recommend to read. So he started today. I'm looking for a local communications manager right now locally in Vancouver, and then I've got one digital person. So my team is quite lean right now. I think we're around $20,000 a month with the agency. I don't know exactly what the numbers are. We're on kind of a rev share deal. My goal is to document going to $100,000 a month with the agency. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to show the financials yet. There's obviously some conflict of interest with NDAs with clients, so I'm going to try to figure that out. But again, ultimately, here's my promise to you guys. I will show you open book everything that I'm executing with my agency for clients. The reality is, if you implement 10 or 20% of it, and go on to succeed, awesome. Most business owners, when they get to that $20,000 or $30,000 a month range, they're just too damn busy to execute on it. And chances are you'll end up just using our team, because this is what I do specifically. We've got a robust system. I've got a team in place that can execute on it, and then we can go win together. So that's it, guys. That's all for now. I'm looking at my goal board here right now, and my dream goal is to be doing 20 videos per month. So a video a day, Monday to Friday. But for now, we're gonna stick to one a week. Just ramp up, get my juices flowing again, and start serving you. As well, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram. I'll kind of have my link below here. I'm very active on there. Instagram stories, I love to death. It's nice. I can just kind of face the camera. Facebook, I'm kind of so-so right now, but you guys can give me a follow there. In the coming kind of week or so, I'll be updating the contact website, getting that started. And then for those of you that are going to Emeka's event in Cancun, I'll see you there. I'm going a day early to help coach some of the VIPs. And overall, guys, I'm just excited to be back on YouTube. I'm finally in a position where me filming on YouTube directly relates to my business. That's why I'm back. And again, you guys kind of know the transparency of what my funnel looks like. I'd love for you guys to model what I'm doing. See how I'm building my funnel, see why I'm building my funnel, realize that content is a method to create an income, but you can do it in a way that's transparent, it builds deep relationships, and then it serves. So signing off for now, guys. I will talk to you soon, and keep killing it.